This is apple. Apple means save. This is banana. Banana means kela. This is mango. Mango means aam. And this is guava. Guava means amrut. This is pear. Pear means naspati. And this is watermelon. Watermelon means tarbooj. This is lychee. Lychee means lychee. This is lemon. Lemon means nimbu. This is papaya. Papaya means papita. And this is pineapple. Pineapple means ananas. This is grapes. Grapes means angur. This is kiwi. Kiwi means kiwi. This is orange. Orange means santra. This is coconut. Coconut means nariyal. And this is pomegranate. Pomegranate means anar.